हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम लोग एक क्वेश्चन करने वाले हैं जो कि काइनेमेटिक्स से है और आया था जेईई मेंस 2023 में। क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है कि अ पार्टिकल इज मूविंग विथ कांस्टेंट स्पीड इन ए सर्कुलर पाथ। पार्टिकल कांस्टेंट स्पीड से एक सर्कुलर पाथ में मूव कर रहा है। व्हेन द पार्टिकल टर्न्स बाय एन एंगल 90 डिग्री, द रेशियो of instantaneous velocity to its average velocity is pi is to x root 2. The value of x will be dash. तो हम लोगों को दिया है एंगल 90 डिग्री और इंस्टेंटेनियस वेलोसिटी और एवरेज वेलोसिटी का रेशियो दिया है पाई इज टू एक्स रूट 2. फर्स्ट लेट अस नो व्हाट इज इंस्टेंटेनियस वेलोसिटी एंड एवरेज वेलोसिटी. Instantaneous velocity is the velocity of a particle at a particular instant. For example, the velocity of a particle at the 3rd second, at the 4th second. So like this. And average velocity is the velocity of a particle which is calculated by using total displacement by total time. Means the velocity in the overall time interval. Let us consider this center O. It is given that the particle turns at an angle of 90 degree. At an angle of 90 degree. Let us name these points A. So, first the particle was at point B and after turning at an angle of 90 degree, it has reached the point B. Now, this is the arc. Let us calculate this AB. This displacement, because displacement is the shortest path and this shortest path is this direct AB, the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. So first let us calculate AB. AB is equal to under root, using Pythagoras theorem, perpendicular square plus base square means OA square plus OB square. OA and OB both are the radius of the circle, means r square plus r square. 2r square means r root 2. So we have the total displacement here is r root 2. Now let us calculate the arc length. हमें पता है कि आर्क लेंथ का जो फॉर्मूला होता है वो होता है थीटा बाय 360 इंटू 2 पाई आर. तो हम यही फॉर्मूला यूज कर लेते हैं. थीटा बाय 360 इंटू 2 पाई आर. थीटा इज गिवन 90 डिग्री. 90 बाय 360 इंटू 2 पाई आर. So we have arc length pi r by 2. So the arc length is pi r by 2. Now let us calculate the time. Time, we know that time is displacement by speed. Let us take this to be capital R. Now we know that time is distance by speed, means displacement by velocity, but in this case the displacement is arc length, means pi r by 2, and the velocity is instantaneous velocity, which we will suppose to be v. Let instantaneous velocity is v. So the time will be distance by speed, means pi r by 2 by v, means pi r by 2v. So we have the time is pi r by 2v. AB is equal to r root 2 and time is equal to pi r by 2b. Now, average velocity. We know that the average velocity, as I earlier told you, is total displacement by total time. Total displacement is the shortest part. So the displacement will be AB, which means this r root 2. So the average velocity will be r root 2 by total time, and this total time is pi r by 2b. So pi r by 2b is equal to, we will take this 2b upwards, r root 2 into 2b by pi r. This r and this r will get cancelled. So we have average velocity 2 root 2v by pi. Now, the ratio of instantaneous velocity to its average velocity is pi is to x root 2. The instantaneous velocity we had supposed that it is v, and the average velocity we have found at 2 root 2 v by pi. तो हम इसका रेशियो निकाल लेते हैं. Average instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity is to average velocity. Instantaneous velocity is v is to average velocity is 2 root 2 v by pi. This v and this v will get cancelled. तो हमारे पास इंस्टेंटेनियस वेलोसिटी और एवरेज वेलोसिटी का रेशियो आता है, पाई इस साइड ले लेते हैं तो हमारे पास इसका रेशियो आता है पाई इज टू 2 रूट 2. So we have the ratio is pi is to 2 root 2. But in the question it is given the ratio of instantaneous velocity to its average velocity is pi is to x root 2. So we will just equate this. Pi by x root 2 is equal to pi by 2 root 2. ये पाई पाई कट जाएगा, 2 रूट 2 कट जाएगा. सो वी हैव x इज इक्वल टू 2. तो हमारे पास x का वैल्यू आता है 2 एंड दिस इज व्हाट द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग. सो द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन is x is equal to 2.